Like it or not, dance often teaches us about patience. And for me, that is something that I have always been thankful for as well. You have to have patience when you're learning new steps because they don't just happen. Now, this doesn't mean that you get to just pass things off to the wayside and be like, oh, it's cool, I got this, it'll just take some time, and I'll just get to it whenever. That doesn't mean you get to like slack off on stuff. When I talk about patience, I'm talking about the fact that you have respect for the fact that it's going to take time, and you understand that you have to have patience to see the big picture when you are rehearsing for something, and you get small details as you go and you watch what was at one point just the mechanics of learning the technique and the steps and the order that they go in to creating a show. So you learn the patience along the way of watching that come to life. You have patience in waiting your turn. Oftentimes you are asked to rotate in class, and one group will go and the other one has to watch. That's also a good time to be marking, so again, that goes back to accountability. And you have patience for if an instructor is giving direction or giving a correction, because that goes back to the whole respect thing as well, where you should be paying attention to that. Now, mind you, some of these things that I've talked about this week are only true if you let them. So things like patience, if you're standing at the back of the studio like, oh, come on, and you're not actually being a, I'd say, willing participant of what's expected of you in class, you're going to have a harder time seeing the thankfulness in what these teach you. You're also probably going to have a harder time gaining respect from others, and that is something that should be worked on. But overall, I've always been thankful that dance has taught me to be patient. As an instructor, we all need to have patience in the fact that we need to remember that our students are learning these things, and we aren't just here to give endless corrections, we are here to guide. And as a dancer, we learn that patience of, oh, I made some mistakes and I have at least the support and the respect of my instructors. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about how our hard work pays off. I will see you then.